kitchen.
Look, my new roof. Look at this.
Now, help me put this up. Oh, I forgot your suit. How used to you doing suit?
Okay, let's see the damage.
Yeah.
From what I can tell, it ain't dented.
You know what? I think that garage protected it. I was really wishing we'd got it closer. When I was watching the hail, it seemed like it was all bouncing off the garage. That might have protected it some, but if it'd been back closer, it'd been better.
Here it comes again. Ooh, it looks like snow.
It's in Dixon again, the storms. Not as big, but
West of the Tennessee River in southwestern Tennessee.
after this, that ought to be over.
However, that's one thing I expected the wind to blow it off,
I know.
not hail to
But right now,
kill it.
We never had that much hail.
And I seen that. I said, well, your car and Desiree's is, but it didn't do nothing to it, from what I could tell.
All right, so we've got a lot of different things going on, a lot of different warnings that still remain in effect. And this is
Did they say any tornadoes touched down around here?
Nashville.
No, they just showed Galena City with a lot of hail.
And in Carthage.